Malemgi Kaitel Saurangna Lupa Lakh Tararungi Oigadaba Heroine No.4 Lupa Lakh Payauna Drugs Lalonbi Nupi Ani Aina Tingraba Lalaholo People Liberation Army PLA gi Special Task Force ki Kangbu Amana Phagatkhre Hairi Heroine No.4 ga Konana Faraba Nupi Adu Khergaw Awang Laikai Degi Nongzai Mayum Jobina Begum Sahi Kuntra Manga Mapuroiba MD Salim Kawi Hairi Jobina Begum Dagi Drugs Asibu Lupa Lakhpani Haiba Nupi Adu Haikru Makhong Dagi Khulakwam Sophia Sahi Kuntra Manga Laikhidraba Apopa Khulakwam Ningthem Kawi Hairi Makhoi Anibu Maralgi Matung Inna Ahakpa Chairak Piba Yarabani Adubo Lamdam Asigi Oiriba Phibam Asi Yenglaga Tungda Amuk Hanna Taudanaba Warak Watem Kibaga Loinana Phagalaba Drugs Sing Adu Impal East District ki Mapam Amada Haidoktuna Mahankhre Hairi.
Welcome to Millennium School, a paradise for children where excellence meets opportunity, a place where no child is left out and the pride is in its inclusivity. Our curriculum balances academics with co-curricular activities, nurturing its and every talents to face the future with passion and ease. I am Millennium, the school of this era, guiding minds through the challenges of today and tomorrow. Admission is going on at both the campuses, Sagolban Salam Lekai and Patsoi Part 4. Join us and feel the difference at Millennium School.